Today I'm here with Chef Wilson Alonso and Halacho, and he's going to show me how to make Pescado Tikin Xic. Pescado Tikin Xic is a classic Yucatecan dish. Fish marinated in tangy achiote with sour orange, cooked over hot coals and served with corn tortillas, pickled onions and salsa. So here we've got a massive fish called jurel. You've got to do a cut which is really typical out here, and it's the butterfly cut.
Lo que vamos a hacer es nada más hacer un corte o incisión en la parte de arriba. Mucho cuidado acá, porque ahí está toda la tetita. No, exacto, exacto. ¿Sí? Tiene un pescado entero tragado.
Oh, ¿y el pescado lo podemos cocinar?
No, ya está digerido.
2 for 1 here with our fish. Dos por uno. Wow.
Tiene un pescado.
That's amazing.
Ahí es un jurelito, ¿eh? ¿No es? Cuidado con el dedo. Sí, pégale con el.
And now we're going to go take this and just rinse all this away and wash it basically.
Okay.
So we're going to start off with some achiote, and then these are naranja agrias, which are basically just sour oranges. But we need to remove the outside skin because it's really bitter. ¿Le puedo picar aquí?
Sí.
So you just dig the thumb in there, and that just makes it easier to squeeze out. So it's just putting some ground pepper into the achiote, and then we're just going to squeeze some of this naranja agria in there. And then we're just going to move this round to dissolve it so it forms a paste that we can smother onto the fish. The fish is just getting seasoned up there with some salt. So then the fish is going into these grates here, like that. Hasta ahí, no?
Sí.
We need to take this over and we're going to cook it over some scorching hot charcoal. So now we're going to go with this skin side down. Como este, no?
Sí.
Over the coals. I feel so lucky. 2 of the dishes I've wanted to make the most is the Tikin Xic and the cochinita pibil, and I'm doing both in one day here.
Como en julianas. Sí. Puedes ponerle naranjita y como para comer. ¿Cómo le hacemos?
O sea, ¿qué tipo de café es? Porque veo que es como más...
Smells so good. I've been driving around the Yucatan for like a week now, and I've asked at loads of places, like, do you have Tikin Xic? And they've been like, no. I found one place, drove an hour out my way just to eat it, and arrived there and it was closed. So they say good things come to those who wait, and this is really one of those cases. It's done.
Oh, mira.
And then we're just serving it with this chilled tomate salsa. It's just tomatoes and chili. It's spicy. You bailo de Tikin Xic.
Quiero pensar que es por felicidad el... Exacto. Ay, qué...
Yeah. Oh, qué deliciosa.
Mira qué suavecito nos quedó, ¿eh?
Sí.
Bueno, acá acostumbramos a ponerle cebolla curtida y un poquito de chiltomate. con habanero.
Yeah. It's real food.
Y como nuestro ingrediente estrella también es la naranja,
Sí.
una naranjita.
They've just made me this nice fresh corn tortilla. We're going to make up a taco. We rip off a chunk of that fish. It's just going to go into the middle there. And some of this salsa and some of those. And then this is one of my chili salsas, which I made earlier today, which is very spicy. And then we're just going to put a little squeeze of the naranja agria. And then this is it. This is the real way to eat it in the taco. That is so tasty. This is tortillas, wow. That's up there, I'm telling you, with one of the best tacos I've ever had. These tortillas, where they press them by hand and they're thicker, it's almost like a really, really good quality bread. Superb. I'm one happy guero. So we're all going to go sit down and eat this fish, but I just want to say muchísimas gracias, otra vez. He's teaching me so much and I absolutely love it. You can do cooking workshops with him or come and experience his restaurant and food. I'm going to leave all the details in the description below, and hit subscribe if you want to see more recipes and videos like this in the future.